This video will explain DisplayCast best practices and what all needs to happen to make sure that DisplayCast functions properly. All displays that are communicating with one another need to be on the same firmware and ideally the latest firmware. You can check the firmware version by selecting the diagnostic icons in the upper right corner. Navigating to the CAN tab, select Display, and you can see your release there. If some displays are not on the same firmware, you can update them by selecting Data Transfer and then selecting Check for Upgrades. You also need to be connected to the internet. You can navigate to the Network tab and verify that the internet has a green check next to it. That means that you are connected to the internet. Also, you need to be logged into an Agfinity account with an active license. If your license is active, it should give you an expiration date at the bottom. The display will also need to be unlocked for DisplayCast. You can navigate to the hamburger icon in the upper left and select DisplayCast. If DisplayCast is not unlocked on your display, this icon will be grayed out and you will need to receive an unlock code. If you do have an unlock, select DisplayCast and verify that DisplayCast is turned on. For multiple units to communicate with one another, all units have to be in the same grower, farm, field, and event. You can navigate to the run screen by selecting Application, verify that all units have selected the same grower, farm, and field. Once you are at the event selection page, the DisplayCast icon will populate if another unit that is logged into your Agfinity account is actively in an open event. If that icon is not present, there are no additional units that are in that event. To join the event, simply highlight the event and navigate to the run screen. Once on the run screen, the coverage from all units will be the same shade of green. If you would like to see individual colors for each unit, you can select the layer icon in the bottom right corner, select Equipment, and specify the color for each unit's coverage.